In this video, we're going to practice English using a simple and super effective method, shadowing. You guys liked my other videos on this topic and asked for more, so here we go. This time, I picked phrases you'll actually need when you travel. There are a lot of them, so I have split everything into two parts. In this video, we'll start at the airport. In the next one, we'll order a taxi, check into a hotel, and explore the city. The best part? You'll get both the questions and the answers, so it's perfect even if you're a complete beginner. All you need to do is listen and repeat out loud. Ready? Let's get started. And we'll start right at the airport. Where do I check in? Where do I check in? Where do I check in? Check-in is over there. Check-in is over there. Check-in is over there. Could I see your passport? Could I see your passport? Could I see your passport? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Do you have an e-ticket or a paper ticket? Do you have an e-ticket or a paper ticket? Do you have an e-ticket or a paper ticket? I have an e-ticket. I have an e-ticket. I have an e-ticket. Are you checking any bags? Are you checking any bags? Are you checking any bags? I just have carry-on. I just have carry-on. I just have carry-on. What is the size and weight limit for carry-on bags? What is the size and weight limit for carry-on bags? What is the size and weight limit for carry-on bags? 1 carry-on up to and 1 personal item. 1 carry-on up to and 1 personal item. I have 1 bag to check in. I have 1 bag to check in. I have 1 bag to check in. Please place it on the scale. Please place it on the scale. Please place it on the scale. Is my bag within the weight limit? Is my bag within the weight limit? Is my bag within the weight limit? Yes, it's fine. Yes, it's fine. Or no, it's overweight by kilos. For example, no, it's overweight by 5 kilos. Where can I drop off my checked baggage? Where can I drop off my checked baggage? Where can I drop off my checked baggage? At the bag drop counters. At the bag drop counters. At the bag drop counters. Where are the self-check-in kiosks? Where are the self-check-in kiosks? Where are the self-check-in kiosks? They are right over there next to the counters. They are right over there next to the counters. They are right over there next to the counters. Do I need a printed boarding pass, or is the digital one okay? Do I need a printed boarding pass or is the digital one okay? Do I need a printed boarding pass or is the digital one okay? The digital one is fine. The digital one is fine. The digital one is fine. Could I have a window seat, please? Could I have a window seat, please? Could I have a window seat, please? Sure. Let me check availability. Sure. Let me check availability. Sure. Let me check availability. What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? Boarding starts at 8:20, for example. What is my gate number? What is my gate number? What is my gate number? Your gate is B12. Your gate is B12. Your gate is B12. Is the flight on schedule? Is the flight on schedule? Is the flight on schedule? Schedule. Which one do you prefer? Yes, it's on time. Yes, it's on time. Or no, it's delayed. No, it's delayed. Once you checked in and dropped off your baggage, it's time to head to security. Here are the phrases you'll need there. Where is security screening? Where is security screening? Where is security screening? It's straight ahead. It's straight ahead. It's straight ahead. Is this the line for international flights? Is this the line for international flights? Is this the line for international flights? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. How long is the security line? How long is the security line? How long is the security line? About minutes. For example, about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. May I see your boarding pass? May I see your boarding pass? May I see your boarding pass? Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Do I need to take my laptop out? Do I need to take my laptop out? Do I need to take my laptop out? Yes, please take it out of your bag. Yes, please take it out of your bag. Yes, please take it out of your bag. Do liquids need to be in a plastic bag? Do liquids need to be in a plastic bag? Do liquids need to be in a plastic bag? Yes, they must be in a clear plastic bag. Yes, they must be in a clear plastic bag. Yes, they must be in a clear plastic bag. Can I keep my shoes on? Shoes on. shoes on? Can I keep my shoes on? Can I keep my shoes on? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Or no, please take them off. No, please take them off. After you pass security, the next step is immigration. Let's practice the questions you'll usually hear there. What is the purpose of your visit? What's the purpose of your visit? What's the purpose of your visit? Tourism. Tourism. How long are you staying? 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 Huh? For example, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Where are you staying? Where are you staying? Where are you staying? At a hotel near the city center. At a hotel near the city center. At a hotel near the city center. Do you have a return ticket? Do you have a return ticket? Do you have a return ticket? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare? No, nothing. No, nothing. When immigration is done, you can go to your gate and get ready for boarding. Here is what you may need to ask. Where is gate B12? Where is gate B12? It is down the hall to the left. It's down the hall to the left. It's down the hall to the left. Has the gate changed? Has the gate changed? Has the gate changed? Yes, it's now C3. Yes, it's now C3. Or no, it's the same. No, it's the same. Is my flight delayed or on time? Is my flight delayed or on time? Is my flight delayed or on time? It's on time. It's on time. Or it's delayed by minutes. For example, it's delayed by 20 minutes. Has boarding started yet? Has boarding started yet? Has boarding started yet? Not yet. Not yet. Or yes, it has started. Yes, it has started. My boarding pass isn't scanning. My boarding pass isn't scanning. My boarding pass isn't scanning. Let me try again. Let me try again. Or please, come to the desk. Please come to the desk. Can you reprint my boarding pass? Can you reprint my boarding pass? Can you reprint my boarding pass? Sure, one moment. Sure, one moment. Sure, one moment. After landing, the first thing you'll do is pick up your luggage. Let's go through the phrases for baggage claim and what to say if your bag goes missing. Where is baggage claim? Where's baggage claim? Where is baggage claim? It's downstairs. It's downstairs. It's downstairs. My bag hasn't arrived. My bag hasn't arrived. My bag hasn't arrived. Please wait a little longer. Please wait a little longer. Please wait a little longer. I think my luggage is missing. I think my luggage is missing. I think my luggage is missing. Let me check the system. Let me check the system. Let me check the system. Or let me check the system. Here is my baggage tag. Here is my baggage tag. Here is my baggage tag. Thank you. I'll look it up. Thank you. I'll look it up. Thank you. I'll look it up. Is there a tracking number for my bag? Is there a tracking number for my bag? Is there a tracking number for my bag? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. What should I do to file a claim? What should I do to file a claim? What should I do to file a claim? Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. How long does it usually take to find lost luggage? How long does it usually take to find lost luggage? How long does it usually take to find lost luggage? Usually up to 48 hours. Usually up to 48 hours. Can you deliver it to my hotel? Can you deliver it to my hotel? Can you deliver it to my hotel? Yes, we can arrange delivery. Yes, we can arrange delivery. Yes, we can arrange delivery. Awesome, the flight is over. Tell me in the comments, are you scared of flying? And don't forget to like this video and hit the bell so you don't miss the new ones. Before jumping into part 2, watch this video again. Write down the phrases and practice saying them out loud. It really helps. See you next time.